Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. This is the final for my second entry into Adamant Sodak Model Cars naked model group build. I did the iced tea for the first kit I did. The second one I've done is the Monogram Rommel's Ride. Just now got done putting the decals on it, which were fun. I have a couple of them, like 3 of them, that decided they wanted to go wonky. The ones I thought would be the most pain in the butt were these 2 on the fenders, but they were actually pretty okay. It was the small wording. There's supposed to be, you can see there's some warnings there. There's supposed to be another one over here, and there's something that's supposed to go across the top of the bulkhead. All of those decals decided they did not want to play nice, and they decided to fold over on me. So they didn't get put on, but the other ones are okay. All this stuff, the iron crosses, the other warning signs, all came out pretty nice. I would like to do this kit again. I saw one of these built at I believe it was NNL West. Somebody built one of these and actually painted it like it was a prototype, like German military vehicle, and it was like really well done. It was painted the dark gray camo colors. It was very nice. I would like to do that with this. This is a fun kit. This is much nicer kit as far as ease of assembly as the iced tea. Unfortunately, I lost the gear shift lever in this, and as you can see, the poor driver, I don't know where his arms went. they went somewhere. They took a walk, if arms could do that, maybe like Thing from the Addams Family movies. I don't know where they went. I've looked all over. They're not on the floor. They're not on the anywhere I can find them. So I guess he just doesn't know how to steer. Well, he's dead, so I guess he's not going to miss his arms. I had to re-cement Mr. Rommel's binocular arm on. It looks like it's fallen down. I had to super glue it because it fell off also. There's very small mounting points, gluing points for the arms on these things. But everything else came out pretty good. You know, like I said, it's all okay. It was fun. I enjoyed building it. I really would like to do it up a super detailed version of it, or paint it up properly like a real, actual half track. I think that would be a lot of fun. But that is my second entry into the group build. I hope Adam says he's going to keep doing this. I would like to do this again. I have a couple of models that I would build, without paint. That I think would be fun. There's somebody has one of the hobby shops, online retailers has got a I think it's called the Rock and Roller. I think Kim at Kim's Custom Garage built one with like a pavement roller thing that has the chrome rollers on it. It was very cool. I think they've got it that I might pick that up for next year. But it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.